What's good, everybody, man? What's going on? It's your boy Vlogging with Greg, and I'm back with another reaction video, man. This one here is called Gary. Well, this is by Gary Allan. Every storm runs out of rain, man. So we're gonna go ahead on and check this one here out. I don't think I ever heard of this guy before, or none of his songs, but we're gonna check this one out, man. Let's get it.
Well, so you're standing in the middle of the thunder and lightning. I know you're feeling like you just can't win, but you're trying. It's hard to keep on keeping on when you're being pushed around.
Facts, man.
Don't even know which way is up. You just keep spinning down, round, down. Every storm runs out of rain, just like every dark night turns into day. Every heartache will fade away, just like every storm runs out of rain.
Yo, my man saying some of the simplest things, bro, but at the same time, it's like big facts that he's talking about. Like he said, like with your headaches and stuff, bro, all that fades off. All that fades off, bro. All you gotta do is just be patient and just wait it out. Wait it out, man. You definitely gonna get through it. I mean, nothing lasts forever. It ain't supposed to last forever. Like your problems ain't supposed to last forever.
Every heartache will fade away, just like every storm runs out of rain. So hold your head up and tell yourself that there's something more, and walk out that door. Go find a new rose, don't be afraid of the thorns, cause we all have thorns.
Yo, bro, this dude. Hey, man. He said, walk out that door and go find you a new rose, bro. Cause sitting around here, this ain't gonna do it. Just sitting in the house pouting, not trying to go do nothing about that situation, it ain't gonna help you none at all. All it's gonna do is keep dragging you down, man. That's all that's gonna do. Get out and about. Go hang with people, go hang around people. You know what I'm saying? Like, it'll make you feel way more alive. You know what I'm saying? It'll make you feel alive than sitting in that house by yourself. All that's doing is just dragging you down, bro. Like, for real. That's all that's doing.
Go find a new rose, don't be afraid of the thorns, cause we all have thorns. Just put your feet up to the edge, put your face in the wind, and when you fall back down, keep on remembering. Every storm runs out of rain, just like every dark night turns into day. Every heartache will fade away, just like every storm runs out of rain. It's gonna run out of pain. It's gonna run out of sting. It's gonna leave you alone. It's gonna set you free.
Yo, I heard a line my man just said just now. He said that it's gonna run out of sting. It's gonna run out of sting. Like, now that phrase, I've never heard that phrase before. But that one stood out to me. it's gonna run out of sting. Even though, like, just what he said, they're gonna run out of pain. I think that's how he said it. They're gonna run out of pain, but they run out of sting. Like, bro, I ain't never heard nobody say that before.
It's gonna leave you alone. It's gonna set you free and set you free. Every storm runs out of rain, just like every dark night turns into day. Every heartache will fade away, just like every storm runs out of rain. It's gonna set you free. It's gonna run out of pain and set you free.
Right, Gary. Okay. Hey, I honestly enjoyed that. Man. So the whole fact of what he's talking about. Don't stay around the same spot that's keeping you depressed, keeping you down. That one spot that just feel like it's holding you back, that it don't want to let you go nowhere. Force yourself to go, bro. Force yourself to go. Force yourself to move around. I know pain can last a long time, but it's up to you to make that move and to get, like, not, I ain't gonna say over it, but get through it. Cause certain pains you just can't get over. It just ain't gonna happen. But you can work through certain pains to where it ain't holding you down all the time. So, hey, bro, I like that. I love the message in this song. I definitely do, man. I definitely love that, man. So shout out to Gary on this one here. I enjoyed that. I do. So with that being said, man, y'all go ahead on and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You already know who it is. It's your boy, Vlogging with Greg, baby. I'm out.